When you're sharpening your instruments, it's really important to test them after to make sure they're actually sharp and you have the right angulation. I do recommend an acrylic test stick. It's the best. It gives you the best kind of feeling of what an actual tooth is, if an instrument is sharp or not. Some people say if you don't have one, use an air suction. But if you like look at these two, this one is so soft. I can like put my nail in it even. This one is a lot harder, this acrylic. So actually I, in a pinch, prefer a plastic air water syringe. It's gonna give you a little bit better representation. It matches the acrylic test stick a little bit better. And when you test your instrument, you're gonna find that it just catches a little bit differently. Let's look at that. So I'm gonna test my instrument with this acrylic test stick. I'm gonna treat it as a tooth. I'm gonna see if I can get that nice cutting edge on it. Pretty sharp. So if I tried it with this, I can get that similar feel. If I do it with this, I don't know, it just like gets stuck in it. It doesn't as work as well. So when in doubt, if you don't have an acrylic test stick, try an air water syringe.